wanna hear old Jimmy skin the blues again.
Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. I call this my multi-tool kit. At some point, sometimes you get so many accessories and multi-tool parts and adapters and so on that I got to the point where I just wanted to try to get it organized and put these parts together in one location. Now, I could take this kit with me out into the field if I wanted to, but primarily my goal here was to get all of these parts together in one place and try to keep from losing things, really. Now, what I want to cover this time is how I have arranged certain Leatherman items together, and in other videos I'll cover some of the other components of this kit. Now, there are 3 Leatherman multi-tools in particular that use the pocket clip, and those are going to be the Leatherman Charge and a Leatherman Wave and the Leatherman Surge. And this is the pocket clip that I'm talking about. And what you're able to do is connect this pocket clip. Let's see if I can get the right one here. I think this is the right one. Well, maybe it'll be easier to use the Wave as the example. There we go. You can attach this on a right there it is. There's a little slot here that allows you to connect the pocket clip like so. You can connect this on a Wave and on the Surge, and also using the Leatherman Charge. In addition to the pocket clip, you can also attach this lanyard ring in the same place. Now, I like being able to share these accessories on multiple devices, and that's what you get when you're using the Charge or the Wave or the Surge. Now, in addition to having the ability to use the pocket clip or the lanyard ring, of course there's a wide range of Leatherman tools that have this bit driver, and of course this is a special bit made by Leatherman, and these are flat bits, and they fit in this special bit driver right here. Well, not only do you get this bit driver on, say for example, the Surge or the Wave or the charge. You can also find some of their products, such as this folding knife that has the bit driver on it right here. So I can use these bits on this particular knife. There's even a place right here for an extra bit. Now, Leatherman provides these bits in these little carriers, and it makes them real handy to use, say for example in a sheath like this that has an extra pocket right here, and you can slide these in that pocket and take them with you. And what I've done with my multi-tool kit is to try to gather these types of bits together instead of just having a bunch of these laying around in a box or something of that nature. And so I built this bit tray that fits into this pocket. And what this is actually a plastic cutting board that cost $1 at the dollar store. And I just trimmed it down in size just a little bit so that it would fit into this pocket right here. And then I just put a bunch of Velcro on it to hold these in place. And actually, if I feel like I need to use one of these and take it along, I can pull it right off. I've got some Velcro on the back of it here. I can just pull it off and take it and go use it. Now, right here, these are replacement items for the Surge. It's an extra saw blade and an extra file blade. And then over here are blades that I purchased that happen to fit into the Surge. These are just some extra blades, and so I've got them held in place right here. So that's my bit tray, and also the saw blades for the Surge. And it just slides into that pocket like so, and it just gives me a way to kind of keep them organized or keep track of them. Now, these tools that have the bit driver, Leatherman makes an adapter that which is this device right here, and you can put it into the space where the bit would go, and it gives you this standard bit driver, the 1/4 inch size, that you can use with these types of bits, such as this. And it also extends the reach of your device in case you're needing to get down inside or reach a little bit further. So that's some of the items that I have set out here in my multi-tool kit. And next time, we'll take a look at some of the other adapters and products that are not necessarily these that use these Leatherman flat bits. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.